Yesterday's order by the President for lifestyle checks in the upper echelons of the bureaucracy have drawn widespread or nearly unanimous approval from the Senate. But the senators are taking it a step further with the proposed twin legislation of waiving the bank secrecy law and the disqualification of kin of government officials to be in the receiving end of government contracts, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
Some senators expressed support to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s order to conduct lifestyle checks on government officials amid the controversy hounding the flood control projects. Senate President Francis Escudero said it finds basis in the 1987 Constitution, saying that public office is a public trust. Escudero meanwhile hopes that the President will support and include as part of his priority agenda bills aiming to curb corruption, like Senate Bill 232 and Senate Bill 783. Senators J.V. Ejercito and Risa Hontiveros do not have a problem with the President's directive.
Ay, okay lang po para makita ng lahat yung aking middle-class lifestyle.
I think it's about time, and actually noon pa yun talagang meron naman dapat na sinusunod na lifestyle, di ba? May etiquette dapat sa gobyerno na hindi dapat maging magarbo.
While Senator Amy Marcos has a suggestion as to who should be subjected to lifestyle check first.
Hindi ba dapat mauna kami? O kailangan talaga magpaka-good example naman ng mga mambabatas kasi kami ang tumatayong liderato ng bansa. Dapat leader din kami sa anumang lifestyle at iba pang check.
Ejercito and Hontiveros meanwhile has a sentiment about DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan amid the flood control controversy.
Kung biguman yung kanyang liderato or talagang hindi niya alam, pero nauna na yung ilang mga kasama ko dito sa Senado. At the very least, kung heads of agencies po sila, may command responsibility sa ginagawa ng kanilang mga kawani.
Kaya nga sabi ko, it will be prudent for Secretary Bonoan to take a leave of absence para na rin while the investigation is ongoing, at least hindi siya maka-influence sa department.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.